Hey guys, Jackson Fredo Mechanic. Today we're going to be doing a fuel tank install on this 2000 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to be doing the skid plate and the fuel tank straps. Should you need the gas tank skid plate or the straps that hold the tank to it, I got the link down below in the description. Go ahead and order them up. You need to get the old tank. Hopefully yours doesn't have as much fuel in it as mine. If it does, you can use a vacuum pump. That's what I use to siphon the gas out of it. Yeah, I think it was time to replace this one. Before I get carried away, I do want to mention that it does not come with new nuts. I'm not sure exactly why. You would think they would. I snapped both of mine off, taking the old tank out to put new straps in. So now we have to come up with a couple of nuts. It's the same size as all of the nuts that hold the gas tank in to begin with. 13 millimeter head. Not done this before, but the way I took them out was I just kind of wiggled them around. Kind of worked out here. Maybe should have put a little more forethought into where the hose was routed, but I can just unplug that. Found myself a couple of nuts and washers. Just noticed that when I'm tightening the strap, that it's pulling the skid plate in. I don't know that that's going to change the alignment for our studs that have to line up with this. So I'm just going to get them snug for now, and then we'll go ahead and finish and tighten these up whenever we get done with the installation. You can try and do the balancing act on one floor jack, but if you've got two, use them. And we'll get in here and make sure that you got your vacuum line hooked up. Get your fuel line hooked up. Of course, we'll need to hook up our fuel pump. It's got to fit right inside. Up in, you'll see when you're looking at it, there's not as much room up in there as you think. But you got to make sure that you get it up in there before you start lifting the tank into place. You get it close, make sure that you get your fill neck lined up properly when you get it inserted in there so that you can get all 4 bolts reinstalled. A couple more blocks in here to get the height where I needed it. Tricky part, I don't know if you could see it, is trying to line the studs up. While you're underneath tightening up all your mounting bolts, once you get done, don't forget to go back and tighten up your straps on both sides. Certainly looks a lot better under there. You gotta love the way a new set of lug nuts look on your wheels, for sure. If you'd like to get a set, I got a link down below in the description. Now you gotta remember to cycle the key a few times before you try to start it.